welcome back to Truffle Kitchen. Today we're going to cook with one of my favorite things, wild mushrooms, and we will make wild mushroom cream soup. Let's start. The original recipe calls for butter, white wine and flour. Our soup is going to have a healthy twist. To thicken it, we'll use potatoes, and it's going to be dairy-free, so we'll use plant-based cream. Alright, this delicious wild mushroom cream soup is ready. The whole process took me around 30 minutes to make, so you can make it even if you have little time. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please check out other recipes on my channel, and I'll see you in my kitchen next time.